Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today is the continuation of our previous topic, that is circulatory system. In our previous topic we have discussed about the function of WBC, and where we have already discussed about where WBC formed, where WBC is destroyed, etc., and lifespan, everything. Today we will discuss about the types of WBC. WBC mainly categorized into two parts, that is granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes. And the second is, agranulocytes. Okay. Now, what is granulocytes? Cytoplasm contains granular like substance. This is called granulocytes, and no granules in cytoplasm. Okay. In granulocytes, granular like substance spreads throughout the cytoplasm. In agranulocytes, no granular like substance present in cytoplasm. This is the difference between granulocytes and agranulocytes. Now, granulocytes is of three types. ग्रैन्युलोसाइट्स के थ्री टाइप्स हैं. द फर्स्ट इज न्यूट्रोफिल. ओके. द सेकेंड इज इओसिनोफिल. ओके. एंड द थर्ड इज बेसोफिल. दिस इज द टाइप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रोफिल, eosinophil and basophil. Okay. Now, agranulocyte, it is again of two types. The first is lymphocytes, and the second is monocytes. Okay. That means WBC mainly it has mainly two category and 5 types. Okay. Now, neutrophil, though it is a type of granulocyte WBC, that means it contains granular in their cytoplasm. Okay. And the second is and its nucleus 3 to 4 lobed nucleus. Okay. 3 to 4 lobed nucleus. And how it performs its function? It engulf germs. Okay. You can make a rough diagram here. Are WBCs, and 3 to 4 lobed is like 3 to 4 lobed, and this is granular cytoplasm. Okay. This is the rough diagram of neutrophil. Now, the second is eosinophil. It is two distinct lobed nucleus. Okay. And it also engulfs germ. That means it performs phagocytosis. Okay. And the next is it leads to allergy. That means if the eosinophil count will be increased when there is allergy inside our body. If there is any allergy, eosinophil count will be increasing. That means it leads to allergy. Okay. Now, a rough diagram of eosinophil 2. Making here. This is WBC. two lobed, you can draw like this, okay, two lobed, and granular cytoplasm. That is the rough diagram of eosinophil. One thing, when you will see any blood report and their eosinophil count is very high, that means there is some allergy inside the body of patient. Okay, so that means it leads to allergy. The third is basophil. It has large nucleus. It is indistinctly lobed. Okay, their lobes are not so distinct. That is large nucleus, and again it engulfs. And the third very important point, it releases a chemical, that is histamine, which again leads with inflammation. Okay, it leads to inflammation. Histamine leads to inflammation. Okay, that is So this is the basophil, indistinctly nucleus. It engulfs germs and it releases a type of chemical which leads to inflammation. Inflammation means suppose bee bite. अगर bee bite हो जाता है तो सबसे पहले जो chemical release होता है हमारे body में, bee bite means there is some toxin या poisonous substance get inside our body. तो उस समय क्या होता है, कुछ हमारे WBC again they are ready to fight with that poisonous substance. तो सबसे पहले histamine release होता है. Okay, that means the first WBC which reacts when there is a bee bite or some कुछ ऐसे insect bite होता है, then histamine performs its function. That means basophil releases histamine. Okay, तो ये all these are one marker question that suppose which WBC releases which WBC leads to allergy, or which WBC's count increases when there is allergy inside our body, that is eosinophil. Which WBC releases histamine, okay, basophil. Okay, these are the one marker question. Okay, so you can make a rough diagram of basophil also. मैं यहाँ पे बना रही हूँ large nucleus. Okay, and this is cytoplasm. So this is about granulocyte. Now now we'll go agranulocyte, lymphocyte, no granules in cytoplasm. Lymphocyte is the smallest WBC. It is the smallest WBC and large nucleus and it produces antibody. ये क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? एंटीबॉडी. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग देख लेते हैं WBC, large nucleus, and it produces antibody. In our previous video we have discussed that WBC performs or it kills the germs by two ways. The first is phagocytosis, that is engulfing the germs, and the second is producing antibody. Okay, WBC antibody भी produce करता है और ये engulf भी करता है. तो lymphocyte is the only WBC which releases antibody. तो this is also one marker question कि कौन सा WBC antibody release करता है. Okay, तो this is the answer is only lymphocyte. Okay, now the next is monocyte. Its nucleus is kidney shaped. Okay, kidney shaped nucleus and it engulf germs. Okay, तो these are the. अच्छा, मैं lymphocyte का एक drawing. These are the नो स्पेस मैं इसे इरेज करके एक लिम्फोसाइट का ड्राइंग बना देती हूँ, रफ ड्राइंग, एंड दिस यू कैन नोट इट, ओके, so that it will be more easier for you to make your notes of circulatory system, because all the things I have given very properly and all the important point I have given. जो भी हम लोगों ने इसके पहले भी सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम से रिलेटेड जो जो टॉपिक अभी तक हमने किया है, सबका मैंने इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, जो मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है वो मैंने लिख दिया है. तो दिस इज़ द important point of types of WBC is also a very important topic of your circulatory system for your class 10th ICSE syllabus. Okay, now मैं यहाँ पे एक रफ डायग्राम बनाती हूँ lymphocyte. This is lymphocyte, no granules, the large nucleus, okay, or monocyte, no granules, kidney shaped, okay, kidney shaped nucleus, okay. ये है lymphocyte, and this is monocyte, okay. तो ये हो गया आपका टाइप्स ऑफ WBC. ऑल अबाउट WBC, टाइप्स ऑफ WBC हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द प्लेटलेट्स, अबाउट द फंक्शन ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स, क्लॉटिंग फैक्टर्स एक्सेट्रा. एंड टिल देन keep liking, keep subscribing and keep sharing my channel. And most important, if you have any query, any question, please drop your question in my comment box. And लिखिए, बहुत ज़्यादा लिखिए, नोट्स बनाइए, कलेक्ट कीजिए. कोई क्वेरी हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो, प्लीज़ आस्क मी इन माई कमेंट बॉक्स. थैंक यू सो मच.